Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating radio button groups dynamically in Python with Tkinter involves several steps. Tkinter is a popular GUI, graphical user interface, library in Python, and it makes it easy to create interactive applications with buttons, labels, entry fields, and other GUI elements. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating radio button groups dynamically using Python and Tkinter. We import the Tkinter module and IntVar class, which is used to represent integer variables in Tkinter. We create the main application window using the tk constructor and set its title. This function will be called when a radio button is selected. You can replace the print statement with any action you want to perform when a radio button is clicked. This function takes a group number and a list of options. It creates a label for the group and then dynamically generates radio buttons for each option. The command parameter is set to call the on_radio_button_selected function when a radio button is clicked. Define your radio button groups and their options. Loop through the defined radio button groups and call the create_radio_buttons function for each group. This starts the Tkinter event loop, allowing the application to respond to user interactions. Run this script, and you should see a window with dynamically generated radio button groups. When you select a radio button in a group, the on_radio_button_selected function will be called, and it will print the selected group and value to the console. ChatGPT. Creating radio button groups dynamically in Python using the Tkinter library allows you to generate a variable number of radio button groups with ease. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with a code example that demonstrates how to achieve this. First, you need to import the Tkinter module, which provides tools for creating graphical user interfaces. Create a class for your application, where you'll define the methods and attributes. Save the code in a Python file, example dynamic_radio_buttons.py, and run it. You should see a window with 3 radio button groups, each containing 3 options. This example can be easily extended to handle a dynamic number of groups and options based on your specific requirements. ChatGPT. Creating radio button groups dynamically in Python using the Tkinter library can be useful when you need to generate a variable number of options based on some data or user input. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of dynamically creating radio button groups in a Tkinter GUI. You can access the selected values using the get method on the IntVar objects stored in the radio_button_groups dictionary. Save the code in a file with a .py extension and run it. This will create a Tkinter window with dynamically generated radio button groups. When the user selects options and clicks the submit button, the selected values will be printed to the console. Feel free to modify the example options and customize the code according to your specific requirements. ChatGPT.